Today, I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite things, how to make money out of pretty much nothing. And we're gonna talk about how you can turn prospects that walk in and say no into actual reoccurring revenue clients. But first, before we get going, real quick context. My name is Kale Malone. I'm the CEO here at Gym Launch, Prestige Labs, and gymowners.com. And my entire mission in life is to help gym owners just like you reach more people, change more lives, and build a wildly profitable business. Now, a lot of times when we talk about money, most people don't wanna talk about money. They like talking about impact, feelings, all that stuff. But today, we are talking about cold, hard cash and growing revenue in your business, even if prospects say no. It's one of my favorite things because if you can make a profit, you can go out and actually change more lives. So I'm not holding anything back. We are going all in on this. Now, before I get going on any of this, I wanna make sure everyone is very clear. Most of y'all probably won't even do this, which I understand. I get it. You don't want to. That's fine. But I'm not making any claims that you're gonna make any money in here. I'm not saying that you're gonna go in, you're gonna do it, you're gonna make $1 million. But what I am gonna do is walk through this system and show you what's possible if you actually follow this. The key is actually do it. But I already know, unfortunately, most gym owners aren't gonna do this because they have preconceived notions around certain stuff. I don't really care. I'm still gonna tell you because the ones that do wanna do this are absolutely gonna smash it. And this thing is a sleeper. It absolutely crushes. So let's dive in right now. First thing, before we get started, we gotta understand one very important thing, and that is the pie equation, AKA your gym max, meaning how big can my gym actually get? And the way to figure that out is we gotta figure out our monthly inflows divided by our outflow percentage. What I mean is by our churn percentage. We've done videos on this. I've talked about this till I'm blue in the face. But the first thing is, let's look at this. Well, example of this, let's say you have 50 show up in a month, you close 25 people, and because you're closing them into a 6-week challenge, 4-week program, 8-week program, whatever it is, you have a front-end offer or a trial, and then you have to convert them, you end up at the end of the month getting 12.5 EFTs because you close 50% of them in there. So when we look at this and we look at the actual equation, the inflow outflow percentage, well, we got 50 shows, 25 sales, 12.5 EFTs. That means we have 12.5 actual inflow of new EFTs with a 10% churn. Let's say you have 10% churn. That means the member max is gonna be 125 members. I don't know about you, but unless I'm charging $500 a month, I'm not stoked about that because the average gym charges $120 a month. So they're making less than $16,000 a month on this. And this doesn't seem fun to me. So how do we change this? How do we go and how do we actually make money out of people that say no? Let alone talk about actually driving more revenue, because we talk about that at length in other videos. This one I want to stick only on the people that say no. And what do we do there? Well, what if, I'm gonna stop right here. What if, big question, what if you actually went from 50 shows, 25 sales, 12.5 EFTs to 50 shows and 40 EFTs? What if you did that? That would take from here with this same thing, that would take you from 125 member max to a 400 member max. 400 members, massive, almost 4x the size of what you're currently at just by making one tiny little tweak to get people that say no to actually close. Now, normally what happens in most funnels is, let's say you get 100 leads, then you get 50 to schedule, 30 of them will show, 15 will close. So 15% of total leads are gonna close into something, right? So let's just say it's right into EFT or directly into a front-end program. Doesn't really matter. Well, with this one little thing that I'm gonna walk you through, this one simple little tweak, what if you went into, and you got the same amount of leads, you got 50 schedule, you got 30 show, you got 15 to close, but then you got 15 people to reschedule for an appointment, 7 of them showed, and you closed 5 into EFT. So instead of 15, you got 20. Or what if all 15 actually showed up and you added another 15 people into EFT? Now you're probably thinking right now, Kale, you are absolutely insane. There's no possible way that happens. Glad you said that because I want to prove you wrong. I love proving people wrong. Been doing that since I was like 8 years old. So let's do that right now. How do we do this? That is the main question. Step number 1, prospect is gonna say no. Step number 2, don't freak out. You know what's about to happen. Step 3, offer them a free at-home challenge with all of the bells and whistles. They just aren't gonna actually train at your spot. And when I say all the bells and whistles, what I mean is you're gonna give them a nutrition plan with everything else, like eating out guide, shopping list, shopping guide, a meal prep, all that stuff, recipes, you name it. You're gonna give them all of that stuff. You're gonna give them at-home workouts, and you're also gonna do check-ins. So you're gonna do weekly check-ins, or if you want to, just do 3 different check-ins, one at the beginning, one in the middle, one at the end. So you're gonna give them pretty much everything that you would do inside of a challenge or a 4-week, 6-week, 8-week intro program that you're doing. They're just gonna do it at home, or they can even do it at another gym. Who cares? They do it at another gym. The reason why is you're gonna give them this free thing because they came in for something. Let's give them a free thing of value just so you can get them to do literally step number 4. And step number 4 is the pre-step to actually making money. Step number 4 is where you schedule a nutrition orientation. This is a one-on-one appointment for 30 minutes where you are going to actually give them all the stuff that they're gonna have. Don't give it to them at the sales appointment. What you wanna do is say, hey, I've got this free challenge, come back, let's schedule a nutrition orientation. That's the first step. I'll walk through your meal plan. You'll get your meal plan, you'll get your recipe book, you'll get your eating out guide, everything that you need, shopping list, you name it, the workouts, all that stuff. We'll set up your check-in schedule so that you can go off and have an amazing time and get amazing results, which they can if they follow the program. time. But in order to do that, we need to have you come in for a 30-minute one-on-one nutrition orientation. This is where the magic happens, and that leads to step number 5. Very simple. Use this nutrition orientation to close them on supplements. Now you're probably thinking, wait a second, I thought you said EFTs. Well, yeah, I did. Close them on Subscribe and Save. Make sure that they're actually on Subscribe and Save so it becomes a monthly EFT. Now, here's the cool part, and this is crazy because this is what we have found over time. I never thought that this was possible, but I keep getting proven wrong every single time. What happens is people will go in, you'll get this objection, and that is, it's too expensive, I gotta think about it, all that stuff. Well, all of a sudden, this person who said it was too expensive for service for a 6-week challenge at $700, $500, $300, who cares? Literally, by doing this, they'll come back 2 days later, they'll go into a nutrition orientation and drop $500, $1,000 on supplements. Why? Because it's a product, and people will spend way more money on a product, an actual tangible product, than they will on a service. Don't ask me why. The service and the product are both important, but the service is really, really important to get people results. You and I both know that, but for some reason, everyone would rather buy a product. When you're thinking about this, use that to your advantage. Get them. Take all these people that say no. You've tried to overcome them. You've gone through our training on objection overcomes. You've done all that stuff. And then they're about to walk out the door, be like, hey, no problem. I wanna make sure that I help you. I wanna make sure that I provide a ton of value, and I love giving back to the community. You seem like someone who is very serious about this, and while we can't find something that works, what we're gonna do is I wanna go ahead and give you a free 4-week, 6-week, whatever it is, challenge where you can do it at home. Are you cool with that? All the nutrition plans, everything. It's just instead of working out here, I'm gonna have you do it. Great. Okay, first step. Let's schedule your nutrition orientation. You're gonna come back, do it 2 days, 3 days later, whatever it is. Now, one little tip on this. When you're scheduling, if you run into a point where you are actually running this and you're having a hard time getting those people to actually show up to it, what you can do is just be like, cool, so I'm gonna set that time aside. And again, this is completely for free. Are you committed to coming? You're gonna show up? Okay. My only request is that I'm just gonna put $25 down just to hold that spot just in case you don't, because it's gonna take my time, it's gonna take our coach's time. It's gonna take me about 30 to 45 minutes just to prep all your nutrition stuff, just to get everything ready for you. Cool? Take a $25 deposit down just for your time. You can even go up to 50, whatever it is. Just take the card, put the deposit down. It's a refundable deposit that when they show up, or it's only a no-show fee if they don't show. Either way, you can get them to actually commit. You might notice that your schedules drop, but your show rate will go up. That's only if you are having an actual show problem. But either way, you do that, and then when they come in, when you sell them on subs, what you're trying to do is you're trying to sell them on somewhere between $200 to $600 worth of supplements, because you got to remember your commission on this. So $200 with Prestige Labs is roughly around $80 in commission, and then you just keep going up from there. So if you have someone on Subscribe and Save, you can take someone who literally said no, can't afford it, don't like you, whatever it might be, and you can take them and actually turn them into reoccurring revenue. Put them on Subscribe and Save, they save money, they enjoy it, they're getting results, they love it, and hey, guess what? They might actually come back in. That's what's beautiful about this. They stay in your ecosystem. They stay literally in contact with you. You can do your check-ins, and you have way more opportunity to get that person in, because it's way easier to get someone who has already paid you $1 to pay you another $1 than it is to get someone who hasn't paid you to pay you $1. Remember that. Now, this is what we call the no sale sale. It's that simple. Now go and use this for good. Crush it, change more people's lives. And the best part about this is if they are working out at home, if you're doing your check-ins, if you give them the nutrition and they are following it, they're gonna get way better results than if they were gonna go to somebody else who has no idea what they're doing. Now, if you like this stuff and you wanna learn more information about it, or hey, real quick, if you have no idea what type of supplements you should sell, there's a link down below. You can become a Prestige Labs affiliate completely for free. We will train you how to close high ticket supplement deals and packages, and you can get up to 40% commission, and we pay out commissions 4 times a month. So if you're interested in that, there's a link down below. Do it for free. We'll train you for free, make money, provide great products for your clients. Either way, if you like this stuff, I appreciate you. Remember, always, gym owners rule.